This dance starts with weight on your left. You're going to start out with a lock step forward. So you're going to step, lock, and then you're going to step again, but you're going to scuff instead of lock, and then you're going to step down, do a lock step. You're going to step forward again, but you're going to step beside instead of a lock. Then you're going to do a zigzag back. This is for a full 8 counts. Lots of steps here. You're going to come back. You're going to step beside with your right. Weights on your left. You're going to do a rocking chair forward and then back. And then you're going to do 2 pivots. 2 pivots. And right out of that pivot into a grapevine to the right. So grapevine to the right. And then your next grapevine is a rolling grapevine. So you're going to do 2 half turns and then a quarter turn at the end. So I'm going to do it really slow. It's going to look like this. You're going to do a half, half, quarter turn with a scuff down into that lock step, beginning to dance.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.